Always remember to wash your hands regularly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Remember to wipe surfaces often. Only leave home if you are healthy. And wear a fabric mask in public, covering your mouth and nose. Don't touch your eyes, mouth, or nose with unwashed hands. And cough or sneeze into your elbow or use a tissue. Keep a distance of 1.5 meters between you and other people. Let's all work together to stay safe.
Thank you for joining us today. This masterclass is the continuation of Module 8 and 9. If you haven't already, please warm up with Module 14. You don't want to strain our voices. Before we start singing, are there any questions about this piece?
Yes, there's a long introduction where I do not sing. How can I make it interesting so that people can keep watching me?
Good question. And this will happen with many other arias. Now, knowing the story of the aria and how it fits into the opera, what type of attitudes do you think Belcore would be presenting?
Belcore was meant to be flirting with Adina and trying to impress her. But I'm not sure how to do this for a competition.
Remember, L'Elisir d'Amore is an opera buffa, which means we can add some elements of comedy to it. Perhaps some subtle moves such as a cheeky smile, a wink, or even brushing down the shirt. However, it's a competition. That means we must not do it overboard. Now, do you think there are any musical elements that we can use to add to the flirting?
Yes, I thought the triplets could add a hint of playfulness.
This is a wonderful idea. We can also see this with sextuplets, which are 6 notes sung in a time of 4. Remember that Belcore's pride and military background is also evident in how he would try and appeal to Adina. We can overemphasize the dotted rhythms, which are found frequently in the aria, as Belcore would show off his strength and character. Let us try this, starting on bar 34.
Non va bella che resista alla vista tu concemiero.
Good. Now, let us check the Italian pronunciation, especially on words such as diletta and questi, which are found in bar 11 to bar 15.
Mia diletta villanella, io ti porgo questi fiori.
Good. Now, let us sing the same passage.
Mia diletta villanera, io riporgo questi fior.
Well done. Let us quickly discuss the alternate high note we can choose for bar 51. You are more than welcome to go up to high F, but please check with your teacher before doing so. You do not want to strain your voice. It is always a good idea to start off as is written and work your way up. I would love to see how you would start and end the performance, starting from the top of the aria until bar 11, and then from bar 46 until the end.
Come paride il vezzo Mia madre, Dio guerriero, fila madre.
What an outstanding performance. We hope you enjoyed this masterclass. Don't forget to ask your teachers if you have any further questions. Thank you for joining us.